Good evening. I'm Liyana Hassanel. Welcome to Bizworld. Malaysia's economy is set for a gradual recovery with real GDP growth at 3.1% in 2021 and projected to accelerate to about 5.75% this year. International Monetary Fund IMF noted that it was driven by the authorities' impressive COVID-19 vaccine rollout and swift implementation of economic policy support measures. The recovery, nevertheless, would remain uneven with sizable economic slack and substantial medium-term pandemic-related risks. The IMF team recommended additional near-term targeted fiscal support towards vulnerable and hard-hit segments of the economy and productive investments. The support should be combined with a medium-term fiscal consolidation plan, underpinned by budgetary reforms to rebuild buffers and safeguard sustainability. Malaysian banking sector's aggregate dividends are likely to increase by 26% in financial year 2021 to $3.43 billion after a 27.8% plunge in 2020 due to COVID-19. IHS Markit expects dividend payout to grow 4.6% in financial year 2022, supported by strong liquidity and capital buffers. It noted that AMMB Holdings decided to hold dividend payouts until the end of the year owing to cautious capital management, while CIMB Group Holdings is expected to boost its year-end dividend more than threefold compared to last year. Maybank and Public Bank would continue to be the top dividend contributors. Telecom Malaysia TM subsidiary Webe Digital has accepted an offer from the Malaysian Communications and Multimedia Commission, MCMC, for spectrum assignment for 20 MHz in the 2,575 MHz to 2,595 MHz frequency band. In a board's filing, TM said Webe has submitted the acceptance of the spectrum assignment and has paid the upfront fee of 7 million ringgit. Webe has also agreed to an annual fee component of 5.98 million ringgit to be paid throughout the assignment period. The utility firm said the spectrum assignment is for a period of 5 years, effective July 1st. The spectrum provides substantial value and leverage to TM as a convergence provider. The increased capacity will enable TM to provide seamless fixed and wireless access and content to its retail and enterprise customers at home, office, or on the move. There could be numerous downside risks to mobile network operators' near and medium-term profitability should the government proceed to adopt a single wholesale network model, SWN, for the 5G network rollout. This comes as Kenanga Research stated that it expects the government to opt for the SWN model, given that cancellation would pose severe risks and repercussions to the sector, government and nation. In the report, it said it shares Digital Nasional Berhad's view that the premature termination of the SWN could bring about early termination payments, adversely impact on FDI inflow into Malaysia due to a loss of confidence, delay the 5G network rollout, and widen the urban-rural digital divide. However, Kenanga also noted that the SWN could negatively impact the telcos' profitability. Rakuten Trade is confident that retail investors will grow this year, given the growing awareness and the importance of investing not only locally but internationally. According to its CEO, Kazumasa Misa, retail investors now know that portfolio diversification is key to a sustainable portfolio.
If we look at the 5 to 10 years ago, the interest of trading in the foreign space has been low, given the higher barrier of the entry and the lack of education. However, we are seeing more brokers offering services to trading the foreign market at an affordable rate beginning last year. And I believe that this evidence of the Security Commission Malaysia's belief in portfolio diversification.
Riding on the country's ongoing digitalization progress, the full-fledged online equity broker said it will continue contributing towards the nation's digital economy by disrupting and innovating the rapidly changing digital landscape. He added that local retail investors' interest is always changing, in tandem with the constant change in the sector. Supported by digital connections, the last few years has bridged the digital divide and created a new segment of younger, more digital-savvy investors who are comfortable in diversifying into overseas market. That's all the time we have for Bizworld. I'm Liyana Hassanel. Thanks for watching and keep tuning in to TV3.